Guatemala, I'll apply what I've learned in Babbel to our real-life situations.
I've tried other language learning apps and nothing really stuck. Babbel's been a complete game changer for me.
Hoy es miércoles y el clima está muy bueno afuera.
Estoy con fome. No tomé café de mañana.
Je suis des États-Unis et du Vion-tu.
Babbel, language for life. Celebrating 10 million subscriptions sold. Now try Babbel for free at Babbel.com. Just go to Babbel.com and start learning a new language today. That's Babbel.com. Babbel.com.
The following is a test of the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
Here we go! Pause it. I just dropped it. Where'd it go? My first WD647 alert. Just the warnings affecting only the phone.
Hillsdale, Lenawee, Texas, Monroe, Washtenaw, and the Ohio counties of Fulton, Henry, Lucas, Williams. No weather radio station WMG 647. Now return to the normal broadcast.
Caught my first test on WG647. No way!
Precipitation 50%. Tonight, cooler, clear.
Why does this thing never even go off? You literally have clear, perfect signal. It should go off.
Thursday, cooler.
Cut on that?
In the morning, then becoming mostly
Really? Oh, come on!
upper 60s.
You suck.
Northeast winds 5 to 15 miles per hour.
I can't believe
West of today, cloudy with showers.
Meanwhile, this thing failed. Meanwhile, it's dying. But luckily for me, I caught my first alert on WG647.
West winds 10 to 15.
Let's change that back.
Chance of precipitation 90%.
I am surprised that they literally do it at the same time as KC63 does.